Syempre, I would like to discuss with you yung ating payment terms. Ang pinakamaganda talaga itong payment terms, guys. Listen to this. Kasi yung ating pinaka cash out lang po dito if ready for occupancy yung unit is only 50,000 pesos. See, for example, meron kang unit na 3 million. Yung kanyang RF or down payment, sabihin natin down payment or RF, that's only cash out of 50,000 pesos. Then the rest, mag-apply ka na sa Pag-ibig Housing Loan. 'Di ba? 50,000 lang, guys, makapag-property ka na. Tapos mag-aantay ka na lang ng approval ng Pag-ibig Housing Loan mo. Then, in any case, mga 3 to 4 months yung processing ng Pag-ibig, then that's the time din after ng release ng loan mo, dun ka pa din magbabayad ng first na amortization mo. Di ba sobrang relax yung kanyang payment? Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel. This is Junior Benz. At ngayon, sa video na ito ay babalik po tayo sa ating pinaka-core sa ating video. Let's talk about the Pag-ibig updates. So, meron po tayong mga projects na qualified for Pag-ibig Housing Loan. Ang pinakamaganda is naka-promo siya. That means to say, meron siya mga certain percentage na mas mababa doon sa normal. So first, let me ask you if meron ba kayong Pag-ibig account. That's very important. And then make sure na meron kayong hulog na 24 months minimum. Or actually, you don't have to worry about that kasi nga, pwede mo namang i-lump-sum payment siya. So first, let me talk about the project that is available for this housing loan or condo loan. Imagine, panoorin nyo talaga yung video na to dahil sobrang mura na lang yung ating mga promo. So first, yung ating mga project available is meron tayong Hill, which is the phase 1. The phase 3 Hill is located sa Novaliches, Quezon City, kung gusto niyo mag Quezon City. And then Trees, ang Trees, ayoko nang mag-ano kasi medyo paubos na yung mga unit ng Trees. Meron ding Vine, yung Vine is Quezon City din siya. And then medyo paubos na rin yung unit natin, pero at least meron pa tayong mapagpipilian dito sa Vine Residences. Then yung Spring, medyo may mga unit pa tayo dito Spring that is in Bicutan, Parañaque. And then Cheer, Building A to G, medyo ano na din yung Cheer. Calm is meron pa tayong available na mga unit. And Smile is in Bacolod. So, yun yung mga nature project natin or yun yung mga mid-rise project natin sa under nature. Meron din tayong heights o yung mga high-rise building which is located sa Pasay City, which is itong cost residences. So, basically guys, meron tayong 7 properties for mid-rise building at meron tayong 1 property that is located in Pasay City. So, pag high properties, medyo yung pricing natin dito is nag-ano siya ng 5 to 6 million. At dito naman sa nature projects natin is from 4 million bababa. Pero mostly dito ang ating pricing ay 3 million. So, ito yung pinakamaganda dito sa promo natin ngayon. It's because itong mga project na to, itong nature is basically kung 4.9 million below, ang kanyang interest rate is 4.5 per annum. Fixed for 3 years. So, meaning to say, pag meron tayong repricing period, yung loan natin apply for repricing period of 3 years. So, meron lang po tayong 4.9% per annum. Pero kung 4.9% to 10 million, that is 5.75% per annum yung ating fixing period. Tapos, kailangan po natin masubmit yung ating Pag-ibig loan before, yung promo period po natin is June 16 to December 31, 2026. So, take note na within this period lang. And then to qualify, yung complete Pag-ibig home loan application mo must be submitted on or before October 31, 2026. So, take note for that dates para masama yung mga loan application nyo sa duration na ito. Sobrang liit, 4.5%, saka 5.75% fixed for 3 years. Grabe, ang ganda ng promo na to. Syempre, I would like to discuss with you yung ating payment terms. Ang pinakamaganda talaga itong payment terms, guys. Listen to this. Kasi yung ating pinaka-cash out lang po dito if ready for occupancy yung unit is only 50,000 pesos. See, for example, meron kang unit na 3 million. Yung kanyang RF or down payment, sabihin natin down payment or RF, that's only cash out of 50,000 pesos. Then the rest, mag-apply ka na sa Pag-ibig Housing Loan. 'Di ba? 50,000 50,000 lang guys, makapag-property ka na. Tapos mag-aantay ka na lang ng approval ng Pag-ibig housing loan mo. Then, in any case, mga 3 to 4 months yung processing ng Pag-ibig, then that's the time din after ng release ng loan mo, dun ka pa din magbabayad ng first na amortization mo. Di ba, sobrang relax yung kanyang payment. And then, sa 50,000 pesos mo, say for example, 3 million, yung 2,950, yun yung ipapasok natin sa Pag-ibig housing loan. Di ba, grabe? Pwede kang mamili kung 5 years, 10 years, or 15 years mong babayaran yun. Pero mas ano ko is yung long term kasi ma-maximize mo yung payment mo, maliles yung monthly amortization mo. At the same time kasi sa Pag-ibig, after ng fixing period, you can actually pay for the principal. So, mag-recalculate ka based on the balance amount. Makakalas ka talaga dito sa interest rate. And for now, yung pinaka-requirements natin dito sa ating Pag-ibig housing loan is first, meron tayong mga forms from SMDC, yun ang ipi-fill out natin, namely yung reservation agreement, which is, in that case, pwede yung i-fill out yun or ako ang magbigay lang kayo ng information. And then BIS and then SOP yung payment terms nyo na nandun sa system. So basically, yung forms from SMDC, mabilis lang siya fill upan. The number 2 is yung reservation fee mo na 50,000 or sabihin natin down payment. Basta reservation fee mo na 50,000, that's only the first cash out and the only cash out na gagawin mo. So number 3 is yung one valid government issued identification card. So may it be passport, syempre OFW tayo. May options tayo. First is yung ating passport. And then, if you have the TIN or the tax identification number or proof of TIN, pwede mong isama yan or kailangan isama mo yan kasi later on, kung wala ka naman, kukunan ka ng SMDC. Then, Pag-ibig loyalty card or ESAV or contribution printout. So, meron po tayong mga online kung paano mo ma-check. Mag-open ka lang sa website ng Pag-ibig. Makikita mo yung contribution payout mo. Yun ang ipiprint mo. Any of it, pwedeng Pag-ibig loyalty card, ESAV, or contribution printout. And then number 6 is yung latest na 1-month payslip mo or certificate of employment, ang compensation, indicating sa purpose as for housing loan application purpose. So, pwede kang manghingi ng mga employment certificate or else yung yung latest payslip mo, ganyan. So, mabilis lang yan. Lalong-lalo na yung mga lalong-lalo na yung mga normally nag-issued ng payslip sa kanilang company. Then, number 7 is for OFW, copy of employment contract or overseas employment certificate authenticated by POEA, Embassy or Pag-ibig officer. So, if a permanent resident provided a certificate for employment with compensation or salary certificate and latest 1-month payslip. So, basically sa OFW to Saudi Arabia, yung first na pagpunta mo lang ay meron ka ng agad employment certificate. So, pwede yun mo yung gagamitin. So, once seafarer ka naman, copy of contract of employment, latest issued salary certificate. Ayan. Grabe guys, yun lang yung 9. Actually, basically 7 lang talaga kasi kung seafarers ka, yun yung kailangan may certificate ka. So basically 7 lang talaga yung ating i-provide dito. Ang bilis-bilis guys. And take note ha, for just only 50 pesos cash out, magkakaroon ka na ng property under Pag-ibig once na ma-approve na yung loan mo, then subject for turnover. So basically guys, this is parang na promo ng Pag-ibig, 'di ba? Ang pinaka-normal kasi ng Pag-ibig is 6% yung interest, pero ngayon meron silang 4.5. Grabe guys. And then pinaka-fantastic pa talaga. Mabilis yung turnover. Just give the SMDC for documentation to complete like 3 months para matapos lahat. Pero most likely, pag ready for occupancy, like less than, just give them at least 3 months para maasikaso lahat, diba? Pero most likely, pwedeng ma-turn over siya before that duration. So guys, this is Pag-ibig promo. So if you want property that is only 50 pesos cash out, then go for it. By the way, limited lang po yung ating unit and depende sa supply kung matapos na siya. So again, I would like to suggest to make your decision faster para makakuha kayo ng Pag-ibig property under kay SMDC. That's it for this episode. Meron tayong update soon kung meron pang ibang promo na under sa Pag-ibig. That's it for today. Have a great day and God bless. Bye!